What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd make a quick video of this new kit that I installed on the truck yesterday. It's a tailgate assist, so your tailgate doesn't come slamming down. It's a pretty quick install, made by a company called DeeZee. I'll do a quick little demonstration for you. Pretty easy. You just replace the factory bolt with this stud. It's got the little strut here, and then all you do is you add this bracket down here. You reinstall your factory bolt. Quick install, no cutting, no drilling, nothing like that. Done deal. This is the kit that I bought. Ordered it on eBay. There's a part number for you guys that are interested. And like I said, direct bolt in, no cutting, no drilling, nothing. Easily about maybe a 5-minute install at the most. So go get it.